Hi, I'm Dragan. I've been using the Circular Innovation Academy to strengthen my approach to digitally enabled circularity, and it's been a positive, very practical experience. The structure makes it easy to fit into a busy schedule, from short lessons, quick checks, and clear takeaways you can apply right away. I like how the Academy connects circular strengths with the digital technologies that make them real. Things like sensors and data, AI analytics, and digital twins to understand where materials go, how assets perform, and where the best improvement opportunities are. What I valued most was how each model nudged me to translate learning into action, from clarifying goals to measuring the impact, organizing data, and shaping business model options to work in practice. By the end, I had a simple, structured action plan to start testing ideas and scaling what works. If you're looking to upskill in sustainable data-driven practices, the Academy gives you momentum and confidence without overwhelming you.